In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your site history in Wix. This is really useful if you ever need to roll back to an earlier version of your website, undo a big mistake, or just see what's changed over time. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and that you have your site open in the Wix editor. Once you're in the editor, look towards the top of the screen for the main menu bar. Up there, you'll see an option labeled Site. It's usually near the left side of that top bar. Go ahead and click on Site. This is where Wix keeps a lot of the important options related to your whole website, not just individual pages. After you click Site, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for an option called Site History. This is the feature that keeps track of previous versions of your site. Click on Site History, and Wix will either open a new panel or a new tab depending on your setup. Next, you'll see a button or link that says Go to Site History. Sometimes Wix shows you a brief description first, explaining that you can view and restore earlier versions of your site. To move forward, click on Go to Site History. This will take you to the main site history page in your Wix dashboard. On the site history page, you'll see a list of your site's previous versions, usually organized by date and time. Each entry represents a saved version of your site, often created when you publish or make major changes. To see more details for a specific version, look for a small arrow on the right side of that entry. It might look like a tiny drop-down or a More icon. Click on that small arrow to expand additional options for that version. Once you've expanded the version you're interested in, you'll see an option labeled Restore. Restoring will roll your site back to how it looked and functioned at that particular time. When you're sure you've selected the right version, click on Restore. Wix may ask you to confirm, just to make sure you really want to do this, because it will replace your current version. After the restore is complete, your site will be set back to that earlier state. You can always go back into site history again if you need to restore a different version later.